We are going to take a look at what it looks like for a student to receive an assignment in Google Classroom and how they turn that assignment in. So I am in from a student viewpoint, and I'm going to jump into the classroom that we're going to be doing a sample assignment. So I've got this back to school demo classroom. Inside of this classroom, you're going to notice that there's three parts: the stream, classwork, and people. The stream is just going to have announcements from the teacher, or it also is going to show when the teacher posts anything as well. That shows up in the stream. Teachers can turn that stream off, so all that it shows is announcements. So it just kind of depends on if the teacher has decided to keep that as part of their classroom or if they've decided to turn that off. Let's jump over into the classwork section. In the classwork section, this particular classroom is divided up into topics, so you can see the different topics on the left-hand side. Those serve as navigation for the students. Once the classroom begins growing, it's easy for things to get a little bit lost. And so Google builds in this topic feature to be able to help keep us organized. So let's come into the sample music assignment so that you can see what this is going to look like from a student point of view. I'm going to click on this sample music assignment, and underneath it, I want to click on view assignment. Once I view assignment, it's going to actually take me into the assignment. It will show the directions, it'll show the points or any of the details of the assignment. And then when your student is ready to do their work, they're going to actually click on this work. On the teacher end of this assignment, the teacher actually set this assignment so that it made a copy for every student. Teachers get the choice as to whether they want to make a copy or if they want students to make a copy themselves, or if they're doing something collaboratively, that it'll all be on one document. So this made a copy for myself, and I know this because it says Sam Knoll, so it named it. The original name of the file was just stage directions, drag and drop. So the gist of this one is that students would be taking this and dragging and dropping the terms into the correct field. Okay, so they would complete this. Now you'll notice on this particular document, it only gives me the option to share. It just looks like a regular Google slide deck. When your student is finished with this, what they're going to do is they're going to come back to their classroom tab, and they're going to click the Turn In button. The Turn In button is super important because what that does is it takes the assignment and it sends it to the teacher. So now it becomes the teacher's property to be able to look at and provide feedback. And when the teacher is done, they'll return it back to the student.